Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Elina from Barbie Fairytopia Mermaidia in Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit and I'm going to show you how we can create this one. Alright, first of all, for the hairstyle, you can choose four hairs. You're going to choose this one, and then for the toggle, you're going to make it back and remove all the flowers and choose this hairstyle. You're going to make it no bangs, and this hair, make it default, and then this updo hair, you can choose no bangs, and then put on this crown, the seashell crown, and then you're going to color it like this. Okay, this is the color for the seashell crown, and then you can do this adjustment for the position, rotate, and then scale. All right, and then the next one, we're going to go to the dressing room, and then I'm going to go to this menu, and we're going to put on this mermaid tail, and I'm going to remove the wings, and then I'm going to color it with this pink color. Okay, this is for the color code guys. You can color it, you can color all the selection with this pink color. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the codes item and put on this item. Okay, and then we're going to apply the same pink color for the fins and then the last one. All right, and then I'm going to go back to this menu and put on this top from the pirate set, and I'm going to choose only necklace, and then I'm going to apply this color for the first selection, and for the second selection I'm going to make it blue for the necklace gem. Okay, make it blue like this. Okay, and then the next one, we're going to go to the Valentine's update and choose this corset, and for this corset we're going to color it with the same pink color for all the selection and put on this item as well. I'm going to make it this color for the first selection, the same as my skin tone color, and then for the second selection make it this color. All right, and then I'm going to go to the petal update and put on this item, and I'm going to color it with this pink color. Okay, then I'm going to make it glitter. Okay, done. And then the next one, I'm going to move to the VIP room. Wait. Okay, and here I'm going to choose this top, and I'm going to make it glitter for all the selection. And then for the color guys, I'm going to make it the same pink color for the first selection until the last selection. Okay, done. And sorry, I forgot one more item from the dressing room. Okay, I'm going to go back to the dressing room, and then I'm going to go to the coats item and put on this Ella skirt, and then we're going to color it with the same pink color. Okay, and then again we're going to make it glitter. All right, and then the last one, we're going to put on this clouds from the Valentine update, and for the clouds I'm going to apply this color, and for the second selection I'm going to make it this pink color. Okay, and then for the third selection make it blue, make it this blue color, and then for the fourth selection I'm going to make it this color for the flower, and for the leaves I'm going to make it green. Okay, and finally you will have this Barbie Fairytopia Mermaidia in Dress to Impress. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!